Hi.
Hi, are you sure this course is just for 2499?
Yes, and you know this is the only course with this expertise across the world.
No way!
Yes way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Hi.
Hi, are you sure you can prepare for product based companies through this course?
Yes, sitting at home?
No way!
Yes way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning.
Yes.
Hey, what do you mean by a self paced course?
Well, the course material is available in the form of video lectures. And there are multiple practice problems that come along as well. So, you can access all of it anywhere, anytime. And they are available to you for lifetime.
No way!
Oh, yes way. Don't delay and enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Hello, guys, and welcome back to this amazing channel, Geeks for Geeks Practice. And this is Abhinav. So, first of all, please let me know if I'm clearly audible and visible to you all. And then we'll start with today's problem, which is maximum X XOR A. So, just please confirm that if I'm clearly audible and visible to you all. And then we'll start, okay? Interesting problem. Yeah, yes. Hi, welcome to the stream. Okay, yeah. Audible and visible. Great. Great. Hi Risit, hi Nakaj, hi Yes, hi Snehal, hi. So let's start, guys. Then. Okay. Yeah. Okay. More the question is interesting, more it's difficult to like explain. Okay. More it's interesting, yes, but it's become like difficult for us to explain that now also. So yeah, that's great. I think it was fine. No, 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 no. Yeah. Hi Sneha, hi. So let's start with the problem. The problem is minimum XOR TLER solution. Maybe you have used some like more time complexity. Let's see the code. Okay. So you are given with two numbers A and B, and we have to find an integer X such that X XOR A is minimum possible, and the current set bit in X is equal to the count of set bits in B. Okay. Yeah, yes, it's like it's greedy only. It's not dynamic programming, obviously. But if it is dynamic programming, it's become 10 times harder. But it's not like dynamic programming. It's something easy to implement. Okay, and that's what it is. So great. So, guys, first of all, the things that we are having is first of all the things that we are having is here. We have a and we have a B. So the role of B here is only that it is saying कि we have to find the integer x such that set of bits in B should be equal to set of bits in X. That's only the role of B here. This is the only role of B here. Okay, that the number of set bits in B should be equal to the number of set bits in X. Is that fine? Okay. Is it clear till now? Fine. Let me raise this thing. Now, Now it is saying find x such that a XOR x is minimum. Okay. So what is meant by XOR? XOR means that if both bits are same, then output is 0, else output is 1. Means I can say if I'm taking the XOR of 101 and 011, so 1 and 1 are same, it will be 0, else is 1. This is what XOR is. This is the XOR of these two numbers. Okay? Is XOR clear? Like I hope everyone knows about XOR. That what is XOR? Okay? Great. Amazing. Amazing. Now, the next part. The next part is we want that our A XOR X should be is minimum. That our A XOR X should be minimum. So let's say that our A is 1 0 0 1 0 1. So this is nothing but I can say like it's 5 plus 8 32 8 16 8 16 32. It's 37. This is 37. Okay. This is array. So now guys, let's forget about that condition. That the next condition was that set B should be equal to set X. Means the set bits in B should be equal to set bits in X. But if we forget this this condition for now, if I'm asking you what should be the value of X such that it will give minimum. What should be the value of X here so that A XOR X is minimum? Tell me. X should be 37 only. Because we know that A XOR A is 0. Means if we are doing a XOR of a number with the same number, it's 0. That we all know. So like if A is 37, we will make X also as 37 so that its XOR is 0. So like XOR of two same numbers are 0. Is it clear till now? Everyone, please respond. Clear? Okay. Okay. Now guys, the next thing is that number of set bits in B should be equal to number of set bits in X. This is the next thing. Okay. So first of all, what we will do, so let's code it as we go on. Let's code it also. Okay. Let's code the solution. So first of all, what I will do is I will count number of sets bit in B. Like I will take a count. Let's take it int C and int X. X will be the number and C is the basically the count of number of set bits in B. Okay. We can simply take it like we can take a while loop for counting. So while B is greater than 0. So if B modulus 2 is equal to 1, that means it's a set bit. We can increase the count. Okay. And then we will just simply divide X by B by 2. Okay. This is the very basic thing. Like this is how we can count number of set bits in this. By the way, we can also have that inbuilt functions for doing this thing. We have some inbuilt function also like build in CLZ that we have, but I'm not using. I'm just writing a code that is language independent, so that Java people can also understand it and Python can too. Okay, like this while loop can be implemented in all the languages. Okay, great. So yeah, we can can we do b is equal to b minus? Yeah, we can. I don't think it's like it's fine. We can do this also. Okay. I don't want to make it more complex, Nikers. Okay, because there can be beginners also in life. Okay? But yeah, obviously there are some. As I told you, that there are multiple ways. We can also do it like this. Like we can take a number like starting with 1, and then I will make it like less than equal to b, and I will multiply it by 2, and then we can check. So there can be multiple ways to basically check for this thing, but I will not have like more advanced way. Okay, great. So amazing. Now guys, we have the C. C is denoting basically the number of set bits in X. Okay, so currently X is 0. Now guys, as I told you, let's say A is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and let's say count is 5. Count is 5. Okay. So the first thing, or let's say count is 4 यार, 5 तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, 4 ले लेते हैं. Okay, count is 4. So means we want the number X such that it has 4 ones or it has 4 set bits. So guys, tell me, if I'm taking number X, as I told you that its bits should always be set where A is set. So हमें बाकी का नहीं पता. I don't know. So initially we are assuming कि all the bits are 0 for this X. But we found 4 set bits here. So I will make those bits set, which is also set in A, so that we can get a minimum XOR. Is this thing clear? ये clear है कि नहीं clear है? This is the main logic. We will set that bits for X that are already set in A, which are already set in A. Everyone? Okay. See how we will do this thing. How we will do this thing. So for all the bits now, and we will start from the high priority bits. Start from the high priority bits, like from the left side. Okay. So what we will do, that they are integer up to 10 to the power, you can see up to 10 to the power 9, means basically it's something like 2 to the power 32. Okay, they are integers only, I can say. Yeah, so we will also go up to that. So what I will do, I will take a for loop. Also guys, first of all, there is a case to consider, that if C is 0, C0 means we can't take any set bits in X. So simply written 0, that X should be 0. If we can't take any set bits in X, just written 0. Because any number with no set bits is 0 only. फिर तो 0 हो जाएगा. So if X is 0, like if B is 0, X should also be 0. That's a very clear thing. Okay, that's a corner case to handle. Now, I will continue, start from the back, like from the 31st bit or 31st bit, and we'll go on till I is greater than 0. Okay, and also one more thing, and till count is greater than 0. Like we will only have that much ones when count is greater than 0. Now, if 1, I, and A. So what is this? So if you guys know about the bit manipulation, if you don't know, you can just simply search for bit magic article on Geeks for Geeks, and you will get this thing. So this statement is used to check that whether ith bit of this number A is set or not. This statement is used to check that thing. So let's say I'm saying A is this. I'm saying I is 3. So the value of this will be this. And then we can simply AND this with the A, and we can simply check ki haan, this bit is set in this A or not set, whatever. Oh yeah, sorry, it should be single, obviously. Bitwise, it's not logical, or I don't know, I just mistake. Fine. It is bitwise or it is sorry, bitwise and okay. Now, if it is set, we will also make it set in the X. Okay, so we will also make it set in the X, like I will add this power 2 comma I, and then I will decrease the count. If we have added a, this means we made ith bit set for X. So we made ith bit set for X. This is the meaning of this. Okay. But guys, maybe after making all the bits set, maybe C is greater than 0. So let's say here the C was 4. So we have made 1, 2, 3 bits set. Now 3 is C is 1. Still we have to make one more. Still we have to add extra bit in that A, in that X. Still we want some extra. Yeah, I can repeat this now. So see, what we are doing is this part is required? See, first of all, let me again repeat this because this is quite confusing, I know. Let's not move forward. First, let's revise that thing. See, so the logic was कि we were having this number A, and we know कि if we have to like minimize the complete XOR, we want one at that. Okay, shift order part, same. See, so the shift order part is that let's say there's a number A, which is this, and we want to check that whether its ith bit is set or not. This is the 0 bit, first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit. And we have to check whether the ith bit is set or not. What I will do, I will take a, like let's say I is 3 or I is 2. And we have to check that whether second bit, this one, is set or not. So I will take a number this. Ye kya hai? This is simply 1 left shifted 2 times, like this. Is it clear? So the value of 1 left shift 2 is this. Now I will have AND of A with this number, just like we are having here. And if this AND value is greater than 0, just like here, that means this bit is set because the value is greater than 0. Let's say that in the same case, if A will be 1 0 0 0 1, in this case, if we will do the XOR, and the value will be 0. This means that bit was not set. Here it was set. So this is a thing that is used to check that whether in this A, ith bit is set or not. That is we are using. And if that bit is set in A, we have to also set it in B. In X. हमें उसे X में भी set करना पड़ेगा. If it is set in A, so for making it set in X, we will add that bit's value. So we know कि हर bit की value क्या होती है. Like if I'm saying that this is a bit second, what is the value of this? उसकी value होगी 2 to the power 2. So each bit has its value in decimal ना. हर bit की एक decimal की value होती है. So for fourth bit, its value is 2 to the power 4. So for every bit, we are adding its value in X, and we are decreasing C. Decreasing C means that we have added. Like so, starting what we will do? Here we have a 1. We also add a 1 and decrease C. Now we have 1 again here. So we will decrease C. Again here, decrease C. So whenever there was a set bit on A, we have also set the bit on X. Again, you can see guys here that still one C is required, means one more bit is required to be set. So अब हम लोग ये बताओ that in this these three spaces are, so where should we place that one so that we got a minimum answer? Where that one should be placed? A remaining one. We have three remaining spaces. At the rightmost, exactly. At the rightmost. Let's say we have two remaining ones. So again the next one. And else will be zero. This is the thing, guys. So like when we were having like checking for the one, we are checking from the leftmost. Now I will check from the right side. Okay. What I will do, I will start from like right. Again, we will have that same condition that C should be greater than 0 and I plus plus and the same thing. And this time we are checking for 0. So we'll check that if it is 0, like if it is not, like this is for 1 and I have added a not means for 0. And we'll do the thing. And then it will simply return X. Let's run this thing. Okay, I think it's fine. It should be fine. Let's run this thing. Yeah, we've got the right answer. This is the code, guys. If we talk about the time complexity, so time complexity is simply 31. So I can say that this program is done in constant time and constant space. By the way, it's like written log of max, obviously log because it's running up to this number of bits for A and B. But obviously, number of bits at max can be 31. So we are taking the 31 loop only. Okay. So this is the case. Is it clear, guys? Is this run clear? So the time complexity we can say log of B or log of max of A and B, and space complexity is order of 1 only. We are not using an extra space. Fine. Because the loop is running this 31 because we know in integers we can have like only 31 bits now. So integers are given to us. So if integers are given, so the max loops which the max number of bit we can have 31 now. We cannot have more than a 32-bit number. 32 bits matlab 0 to 31. 30 like integer is a 32-bit number, we all know. So 32 bits matlab 0 to 31. So यहाँ भी you can see that we are starting from 31 to 0 and here also we are starting from 0 to 31. So like हम लोग पूरा लिखेंगे max कितनी bits हो सकती हैं. This is a concept you can learn the thing. I have done this question. Yeah, there are different ways to solve the problem obviously. Okay. But this is the like most that bit manipulation specific approach. Okay, great guys. Then I hope that the problem was clear to you all. And next is let's meet tomorrow again with the new problem of the day. Tomorrow again I will be having the live. Okay, for you guys. And till then, take care. Happy coding. Thanks, Risit. Thanks, Nekaj. I hope this team was fine and you have learned something new in this particular video. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it's fine. Take care. All the best. Best of luck. Good day for tomorrow. Good night. GFG कर लो हो जाएगा.